So now, welcome students. In this class, lecture number 44 of mathematics. So I hope you have watched complete video, previous video, and you have solved a lot of questions. And in this video lecture, we will solve question number 8 of 12.2 and some similar questions. So students, without any delay, we want to start here. Question 8 is, horse is tied to a peg. Peg means जैसे बोलते हैं खूंटा या कुछ चीज़ गड़ा हुआ हो. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. means जिसके द्वारा वो बंधा हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we have a square shaped field. This is a square field which length is 15 meter everywhere, and a horse is tied to a peg. एक peg means अब खूंटे यहाँ गड़ा हुआ है और यहाँ पे एक horse tied है by with the help of 5 meter long rope. This rope length is 5 meter. ये आपका एक rope है ROPE जिससे horse tied है here, okay, and horse can graze only the area of this part of grass field 5 meter, okay, something here. H means horse. So students, according to this question, a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of this square field whose side is 15 meter by the means of 5 meter long rope. So for this diagram, we can have a sector. How? This is a square and each angle is of 90 degree and this belongs to radius. Then this sector is like a one quadrant of circle. आप इसको देख सकते हैं कि क्या है ये एक सेक्टर जैसा है. अगर हम इसके कंप्लीट डायग्राम बनाना चाहें तो कुछ ऐसे बन सकता है. और इट मीन्स क्या हुआ कि 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ सर्कल, और यू कैन से दीज आर रेडियाई 5 and this is angle between two radii. So we can say that first part, area grazed by horse is equal to area of sector, or you can write here area of quadrant of circle, area of a quadrant of circle. Okay, so to find the area of this portion, we will use formula 1 pi r square upon 2 r pi r square theta upon 360. So students, with the help of those formulas, either we will use this formula. This is a fourth part of the quadrant. Quadrant is a fourth part of a circle. Therefore, to find area of this portion, we use formula. We can use pi r square upon 4, or in case of sector, we can use pi r square theta upon 360. Okay, so here we will use pi r square theta upon 360. Now, putting the values, sorry students, pi, the value of pi is given here 3.14, radius is 5 square multiplied by theta, that is 90 upon 360. Now students, we have to solve it. 90 4 ja 60. So it can be written as 3.14 multiplied by 25 upon 4. Okay. So students, write this solution. So here students, if you will solve, then after solving this you will get 19.625 meter square. So this is the answer. Okay students. So pause it and write the solution. So it was the first part of this question. Now we will solve second part, and second part is not we have not written second part. So understand the part. If this rope is increased, according to question, this rope is increased up to 10 meter. In second part, students, you will find that if this rope is increased up to 10 meter, then what is the increase of area? See, suppose the length of rope is 10 meter. Okay, then horse can graze the area of that portion, and it was the area for 5 meter. This is 90 degree. Students, we have to find increased area if the length of rope is increased by 5 meter. Means initial position of rope was 5 meter. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इन फर्स्ट केस जब हार्स यहाँ पे बंधा हुआ था तो उसका रेडियस क्या था? 5 मीटर. तो वो एरिया ग्रेज कर सकता था ये वाला एरिया, देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे ये एरिया. अब इस रोप की लंबाई बढ़ा गई अब तो 10 मीटर, तो वो क्या करेगा? इस एरिया को, पूरे एरिया को ग्रेज करेगा. पहले का एरिया ये था, अब ये है. वी हैव टू फाइंड इंक्रीज्ड एरिया in second part. Increased area for grazing by horse. Second part, increased area is equal to, pi capital R square theta upon 360 minus pi small r square theta upon 360. Students, here capital R is equal to 10 meter and small r is equal to 5 meter. Okay, so now we will put the values. Take pi theta common upon 360, then pi theta upon 360, pi theta upon 360, r square minus small r square. So here we will write 3.14 into theta 90. Students, here theta is 90 degree. Okay, and upon 360, capital R 10 square minus small r 5 square. Okay students, now you have to solve this to find answer. So okay students, now I hope you will calculate it, you will simplify it. So remaining portion is for you. Okay, right. So students, we have another question, question number 10. In this question, an umbrella has a ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. Radius is given here 45 centimeter. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs of umbrella. So diagram like this. This is an umbrella, students, and there are 4 ribs in front and 4 other ribs are back front. So here the other diagram is, it is clear that there are 8 ribs and it is said that ribs are equally flat. We have taken one rib here. The angle between one rib, 45 degree, because there is at this point there is a complete angle of 360 degree, and 360 degree is divided into 8 parts. So theta is equal to 360 upon 8, that is 45 degree, and this radius is 48. So this diagram is like a sector of circle, and we have to find the area between the two consecutive ribs. Two consecutive means one after other. So the area between two ribs is a sector of circle. So we can write here area between two consecutive ribs is equal to area of sector. It means pi r square theta upon 360. So this can be written as pi. Students, we will use pi 22 upon 7, and radius 45 square, pi r square theta. Theta is 45 degree upon 360. Okay. Now 45 8 times cancel out. 22 upon 7 into 45 square, that is 45 into 45 and upon 8. So now students, we have to calculate this, and students, if you will able to calculate it, certainly you will get your answer. Pause it and write. Students, question how to calculate it. So we will simplify. 2 4 ja 8, 2 11 ja 22. Now 11 into 45 into 45, it becomes 25 upon 7 4 ja 28. Now multiply these two numbers. I think this is your answer, centimeter square. After multiplying it, we got it, and this is, I think, answer. Okay, so we have completed, we have finished, we have solved question number 10 using this formula. See, it was umbrella, and there are 8 ribs, and we have to find area between 2 consecutive ribs, and there are 8 ribs. So angle between 2 consecutive ribs is 360 upon 45, because there is an complete angle, and radius is given. So this diagram is like a sector of circle. So we will use formula pi r square theta upon 60. After putting the value, we will get answer, and this is the final answer. Okay students, so pause it and write the solution. So students, now we have question number 12. In this question, 2 warned ships means जो डेंजर सिग्नल देते हैं, वार्न करते हैं. फॉर अंडर वाटर रॉक्स, अ लाइट हाउस स्प्रेड अ रेड कलर्ड लाइट ओवर अ सेक्टर ऑफ एंगल 80 डिग्री टू अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 16.5 किलोमीटर. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ सी ओवर व्हिच द शिप आर वार्नड. Students, ship are warned from a lighthouse. Suppose students, here there is a lighthouse, and from this lighthouse 2 ships are warned. These are 2 ships which are at distance 16.5 kilometer from this lighthouse. Lighthouse is L, suppose, and A and B are 2 ships, and the angle between these 2 ships at lighthouse is 80 degree. Okay students, Now we have to find the area of sea over which the ship are warned. The area over sea means this area of sea over which ships are warned from lighthouse. So this diagram is like a sector of circle. So students, to find the area covered by two ships, we will use formula of area of sector to find the area of sea over which the ship are warned. So area of ship, area of sea, sea means SEA, sorry, is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Again we apply here area of sector using formula, and we will pi is equal to 3.14 multiplied by r square. R square means 16.5 square, which is in kilometer, and theta is 80 degree upon 360. So students, now you will have to simplify it to get answer as 3.14 multiplied by 16.5 into 16.5 upon 80 upon 360. 0 0 cancel out, and 4 2 जा 8. तो I think 2 upon 9, 4 2 जा 8, and 4 9 जा 36. So it can be written as 2 upon 9, students. Now students, you have to solve it to find answer. I hope you will do so. आपको ये सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, एंड सॉल्व करने के बाद you will get your answer. तो students, we have finished question number 12, and this simplification is for you. Okay, pause it and write down. So students, I think I hope you have completed it, and its answer is, आपने सॉल्व किया होगा, इसका आंसर है 189.9 मीटर स्क्वायर, सॉरी किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज आंसर. आई थिंक यू विल सॉल्व इट, एंड आपको सॉल्व ही करना चाहिए. तो ओके, हाँ. तो स्टूडेंट्स, as you know, I think your answer is correct. So with this solution, I would like to conclude here this exercise 12.1. Now we will solve more question with new exercise and topic area of combination of figures. जो हमारा स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होगा वो होगा एरिया ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फिगर्स. टिल देन keep watching complete video, and if you like it, subscribe the channel, and if you have any question, ask and solve with the help of examples in your RSQL book and your NCERT, and you have to do more and more practice. तो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो इसी के साथ हमारा आज का लेक्चर फिनिश हो रहा है. अब हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नंबर 45 में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. थैंक्स.